Hi, welcome back to another episode of our series D2C model. In this episode, we are going to talk about how customers have the choice of freedom with D2C brands coming in vending machines. So before wasting any more time, let's get started. We already know how Omicron is spreading rapidly, and this will definitely keep people away from visiting retail shops. The question is how to shop your daily essentials, and what if people are not tech savvy to use e-commerce or make electronic payments? Well, a vending machine operates 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. And we all know a pandemic cannot stop a vending machine from operating, as it is a completely contactless solution for smart retail. A vending machine provides a lot of convenience and freedom of choice. You can have a look at all the shelves on the vending machine and see different type of products in just a single go. While it takes at least 10 to 15 minutes to look around a product in a retail store. Vending machines not only provide convenience, but since D2C brands are pushing themselves to vending machines, there are a lot of customized products available in the vending machine that are not available in a retail store. Imagine having different type of vending machine in just one place for all your needs. Wouldn't that be amazing? Getting all your items in a single location. Let me know in the comments below. Condoms have been long approved as the best measure for practicing safe sex, avoiding untimely or unwanted pregnancy, as well as to stop the spread of HIV/AIDS. Yet people are afraid to ask their local pharmacist for a pack of condoms for the fear of judgment and frown from the society. Considering the importance of availability and affordability of public health to propagate safe sex practice, many state governments in India have taken the initiative to install condom vending machine at metro station, college campus, hospitals, residential societies and other public areas. Apart from these obvious locations, vending machine operators may also tie up with hotel and resort chain to install vending machines on their premises, as people tend to buy more condoms when they are vacationing. This can help the vending machine operators drive more sales, and for the hoteliers, having these machines deployed would serve as an additional point to this service. So guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos like this.